A river whispers, its voice so low. Crimson leaves drift where waters go. They kiss the surface, then let it show. A fleeting love, a quiet glow. If the wind could speak, what would it say? Would it tell the leaves to float or stay? Crimson river flow, take me to, paint me red in every hue. Let me drown in the fire of you. Crimson river flow, so true. So true. The sky reflects a story untold, a dance of amber, a burnished gold. Branches bow, their secrets unfold, while time moves on, so bold, so cold. Every ripple, every sigh carries the weight of goodbye. But in the dance of leaf and stream, I find my place, I find my dream.